ChatGPT is an advanced chatbot system that uses the latest natural language processing and deep learning technologies to generate conversations with users. It utilizes GPT-3, a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. With ChatGPT, users can have natural conversations with a virtual assistant that understands their intent and provides relevant responses. ChatGPT is capable of understanding complex queries and providing accurate answers to them. It can also provide personalized recommendations based on user preferences. Additionally, it can be used to automate customer service tasks such as answering FAQs and providing product information. The benefits of using ChatGPT include improved customer experience, faster response times, cost savings, and increased efficiency for businesses of all sizes. The chatbot is able to predict the best matching product for visitors to the website, without having to search through hundreds of similar products. Users also have access to an extensive list of product knowledge from which they can choose from when conversing with the chatbot.